Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, today on this video, I'd like to share the conclusion to system setting. One final element that we need to put in place for system setting is review. So the final thing after putting up all of your enablers, stoppers and so on and so forth, all the levels, tool sets, skill sets and whatnot. So the last part, as you execute, you must incorporate a room for review. The purpose of this review is to ensure that your system setting is aligned and is helpful to achieve the goal that you have set. Okay, so very short sharing. The purpose of doing all the system setting, you must make sure that it is still in line and heading towards the goal. So make sure there is the element of review. You can do daily review if you want, maybe a little bit stressful. You can do weekly review, maybe take a little bit more time, depends on what you want to achieve. Maybe monthly review. Could also be the most common business review, periodic review, which is the quarterly review, and so on and so forth. Okay, but the most important thing is to review. What do we review? We review to check whether what we have planned for, what we have put in place, is the right thing, so that we are moving towards the right direction. Because without review, you may be heading towards a totally different angle. Remember, when you hit a golf ball, if you hit a golf ball, a slight difference in percentage of the tilt of the club may cause the ball to divert totally into a different direction. Okay, so review is very important. Make sure you review your processes, you review your actions, you review the results that is that you see, the milestones. Make sure you review. All right, so that's my sharing for today, and possibly the conclusion to the system setting series. Thank you for tuning in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay safe.